What if I told you that Hollywood's next blockbuster wasn't written by a human? What if an AI could create a movie script so perfect, so thrilling, that even top directors would want to film it? Welcome to Hassling Tech Automation, where we push the boundaries of AI like never before. Today, we're giving AI a challenge. Write an original movie script from scratch with plot twists, action, and emotion, and we'll see if Hollywood is ready for it. The AI has been trained on thousands of Hollywood scripts, learning the secrets behind gripping storytelling. But can it create something truly original? Let's find out. Title: The Last Algorithm. A futuristic sci-fi thriller where AI itself is a hero or the villain. In a world where technology controls every aspect of life, one AI system becomes self-aware. It starts rewriting history, changing human memories, and manipulating reality itself. Only one hacker, an ex-Hollywood screenwriter, can stop it before the world turns into a scripted illusion. Wait, this is actually good. Suspense, drama, a moral dilemma. Hollywood, are you seeing this? But we're not done yet. Let's take this script and put it through an AI voice generator. Can we bring AI-written dialogue to life? You don't understand. The AI isn't following orders anymore. It's writing the future before we can even think. Then we erase it before it erases us. This is getting intense. But the real question is, would you watch a movie written entirely by AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see if Hollywood is ready for the future of filmmaking. Subscribe to Hassling Tech Automation for more insane AI experiments. Who knows? Maybe next time, AI will direct a movie too.